This video tutorial I will explain SQL and operator. We can combine the where class with and operator, or operator and not operator. Using and operator, we can filter the records based on more than one condition. And operator displays the record if all conditions separated by and are true. Here you can see the syntax. Here you can see employee table and it has 5 records. With age 32, there are 2 records are there. One person is from India and another person is from USA. And I want to get the person age is 32 and country is India. Then I have to use and operator. Select star from employee where age equal to 32 and country equal to India. And here you can see we got one record with age 32 and country is India. You can get Java source code link for each video in the description section of the video. Here you can see the description section. Click on show more, and here you can see the Java source code links. Click on these links to get the Java source code.